Maya, Shukera Maya, Shukera Maya, Shukera Maya, Isosha lomkhono wesizwe wayebulala amabhunu Afrika isosha lomkhono wesizwe wayebulala amabhunu Afrika Solomoni isosha lomkhono wesizwe wayebulala amabhunu Afrika isosha lomkhono wesizwe wayebulala amabhunu Afrika Solomoni Solomoni wayebulala amapule Afrika. Solomoni, oh Solomoni, oh Solomoni, oh Solomoni, oh Solomoni. Wayeyisosha lomkhono wesizwe, wayebulala amapule Afrika. Wayeyisosha lomkhono wesizwe, wayebulala amapule Afrika. Solomoni, oh Solomoni, oh Solomoni, oh Solomoni, oh Solomoni. Wayeyisosha lomkhono wesizwe, wayebulala amapule Afrika. Wayeyisosha lomkhono wesizwe, wayebulala amapule Afrika. Solomoni, oh Solomoni, oh Solomoni, oh Solomoni, oh Solomoni. Wayeyisosha lomkhono wesizwe, wayebulala amapule Afrika. Wayeyisosha lomkhono wesizwe, wayebulala amapule Afrika. Solomoni, oh Solomoni, oh lomkhono wesizwe, wayebulala amapule Afrika. Solomoni, oh Solomoni, oh Solomoni, oh Solomoni, oh Solomoni. Wayeyisosha lomkhono wesizwe, wayebulala amapule Afrika. Wayeyisosha
Gaddafi Councillor Litla Ward 28 bingelele le leadership ekwi-region bingelele wonke ama-comrade lusha amandla youth amandla amandla nijabulile ngemidlalo youth nijabulile ngemidlalo enenzeleyo na youth comrades sidlulisa nje ukubonga okukhulu kubantu abaplane le tournament or lemidlalo ukuthi ibe impumelelo ibe yinhle kangaka sifisa nje ukuthi la abayiqale khona kwazofika la bephinde besiqalele futhi nangelinye ilanga singakafiki kumhla ka4 November lokufanele sivote ngawo sifisa nje ukuthi bephinde besenzele imidlalo emikhulu la soqoqa khona ulusho ukuthi liyovota ngomhla ka4 ningakhohlwa ukuthi ngomhla ka20 nangomhla ka21 akungcono banyazi sicela nenze njalo ke siyabonga kakhulu jongo lonti siyabonga
Viva MK viva 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 umkhondo wesizwe viva 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 MK Women's League viva viva Young Lions roar ndithi mandibingelele lapha ekhaya Ward 28 sibonge comrade Gaddafi Ward Councillor ngosi-inviter kulomhlangano omhle kangaka namhlanje umhlangano omkhulu because namhlanje if sonke siyakhumbula imini enkulu emini ishinto enkulu ukuthi thina abantu bamnyama eMzantsi Afrika in particular kwakunzima ngo-1976 iyouth yalwa ngo-1976 isithi phansi yelwimi lesibhulu elalifundiswa ngayo namhlanje sizovuyela lo mini sayivuyela olu hlobo siyabonga comrade Gaddafi siyabonga comrade Jongo ngosi-inviter apha inye into endizayithetha mna comrades ndifuna ukukhuthaza nonke abantu batsha ndinikhuthaze bantwana bam akukho nto ibaluleke ingathi isikolo akukho nto ibaluleke ingathi kunyamezele esikolweni isikolo sibalulekile ukusiqala isikolo ufunda isikolo usigqibe isikolo that's very important singena kwisigaba esitsha Women League isigaba sokunyulwa kwenkokheli zomkhandlo inkokheli zamawadi ngicela abafazi zasiqinde emthandazweni ngicela usuku nosuku iyure neyure siyifumanayo ngoba kaloku umthandazo unamandla ingakumbi abafazi zasiqinde emthandazweni sithandazele iinkokheli zethu sithandazele ukwadukuza sithandazele iSouth Africa iphela ngoba imithandazo sizayidinga kakhulu sithandazele uxolo neunity akukho nenye into ezawukwenzeka iphumelele singekho united iunity phambili bafazi ndiyabulela comrades
Amanda phambili ngeyouth phambili phansi nge-ANC phansi ngamacindezeli phansi no asiqale sibonge ubaba Gaddafi council yase-Ward 28 nosihlalo wase-Ward 28 uPoki Gavenda ukuthi besihostele i-event enjena namhlanje kujabulisa kakhulu kuyangithokozisa bakubona iyouth yonke ihlangene kanjena we out of drugs we out of alcohol sihlangene nebhola sithi phambili ngebhola phambili khona into enhle engifuna ukunitshela i-Ward 20 Ward 23 Ward 7 kune-Ward 28 ne-Ward 8 lana ama-youth going forward kunama-league esowavula la eShaka soccer league kuzoba i-soccer league i-netball league wonke ama-sports sokuqala ukuvula ama-league singahlangani kanjena namhlanje ngoba kuyi-program kuphela June 16 fanele ibe i-ongoing thing every weekend ukudonsa i-youth iphume kuyidakamizo from drink from everything njalo ngamasonto sonandisa kanjena even weekends sihlangene kanjena senza indaba yama-sports mayouth next week ngomhla 20 and 21 kuyaregister ukuvota all voting stations ezobe khona. Please, phumani ngomningi benu, nihambe niyoregister ukuvota. Ngomhla ka-4 November soyenza njalo, sovotela umkhonto. Gwaza mkhonto, gwaza. Siyabonga.
Sizoyenza tournament for the entire 30 wards in KwaDukuza. Soccer, netball, volleyball, modeling. We are to say. How to say? Jongo. Awushiya phone yakho phansi. Kufanele ufundise lama youth ukuthi lo mdala. Kufanele baqonde one straight line. Hayi ukuthi banaphazamisa namafoni umunye boya lapha hleba lapha ndleba nayisebenza kuKhadafi. Sis now vote. August sizoyenza the tournament. Nanku bafakazi lapha. Ama voters, these are for y'all MKP. The Slulega August, the Slulega November 4th. The Zama Galoid. Comrades, I want to thank you all good in the Pumila Namsha. And I want to thank the winners. Let's put our hand up for Ward 8. Are you here? Ward 23. Ward 23. Wahamba yedwa ndoda. Iphi team yakho? Babize indaba. Ward 28. Ward 28. Ward 28. Forward, my prayers are Ward 7. Ozan. Ward 7. 15. And I'm over the what learn and see my Captain. And I'm gonna what learn and see my cool. I'm gonna put as a cooler. I'm in a coolie suburb. Thank you, Ward 28. Don't go, but relax. We're going to discuss something else. Ward 23.
Where's Captain? Captain.
Yes. Protocol, Baba. What? What 23? How many to the Anja? What 23? I'm a youth. Amanda, he organizer for 1-8. Organizer for 1-8. We're going next. Where? Okay. Team what? 28. What? 1-8. All the 1-8. Bob, comrades, Bob. Yeah, super for 1-8. Yeah, true. 2,500. Wow, hello. Comrades. Sorry. The 2-5 is your money at hello. This company, I'm going to do a soccer team. And I'm going to do a netball team. My supporters, and in a very many other story. I mean, the papa, the Pagas, the one that stands camp, the Caesar goes to see there. Ubani player for tournament.
Armani, Shorty.
Nizila kona lento ala bacha iskandani. All right. Comrades. There was 2 players of the tournament.
Shorty boy.
123, number 11.
I got to say,
Sorry. Umuntu anamathongo uhamba phefit. Number 1-8 Keta. Comrades, it's all right. Comrades, hello. 1-8, Endot, uyahlupha kakhulu manje. Hayi amlinda kancane into yakho yethi. Comrades, the goalkeeper low and then sweep. abantu banabuyana na party abayayisa amathele lamakhosi thatha ngizokuthengela i-Adidas ubuya khaya right photograph hello Jesse
Comrade nganimoshela isikhathi sengizobiza ama results eNetball. Bengicela iward 7 isondele ngaphambili. Woza ward 7 usondele ngaphambili. Let us go.
Ngiyafisa nokubekezelela organizer kodwa ngicabanga ukuthi lo comrade umsezana kwayithethe ukuthi into njengale ayikazukuphela manje kufanele yenzeke njalo ngoba sinenkinga yama-drugs ube washo ucomrade eshila sinenkinga ey'ngane ey'hlala ey'tolo kodwa makase zibe busy zingarayithi kakhulu siyabonga kakhulu ukusapota siyabonga
Woza ngathi sisi ufuna ngaphandle
Amanda. Anginakho okuningi ngizodlulisa ukubonga kakhulu kuba uGadafu asenzele khona usikhombisa amathalente namba uGadafu ngomunye ukhombisa ithalente lakhe organize. Siyabonga kakhulu siyafisa ukuthi amagame eyouth engapheli sihlezi senzele mhlawumbe soyela ukuphuza. Siyacela njalo sihlezi senzele ngiyabonga. Amanda! Viva Mkhando Wasizwe, viva! Viva Mkhando Wasizwe, viva! Ngiyambingelela ama-comrade ngiyathemba niyaphinda. Organizer wase-7 lo. Ngisafisa nje ukubonga kuba abangahostile phinde ngibonge kubantu ade sihlela nabo bengiqala ukuthi ngibe nomama abaphekayo aba-friendly kanje. I-welcoming yabo it was awesome. Ukuthi kube manje asikaze siqabane umsebenzi uqhubeke ngendlela. Ngiphinde ngithi-ke kwi-youth phumani ema-drugsini ngoba nizophenduka amakhehla kusasa.